Welcome to Buy Wholesale Cabinets. Today we are going to be putting together our frameless BWB18. This cabinet consists of one drawer and the trash insert. The step-by-step instructional will give you everything you need to put this cabinet together. The tools you'll need for this assembly are a box cutter, a rubber mallet, wood glue, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a power drill with the Phillips head drill bit. Here are the tools you will need to assemble our frameless cabinets. The shelf pegs, the cam lock screws, the rubber stops, the dowels, the corner brackets, the rear drawer brackets, the soft close drawer glides, the 1 1/4 inch screws, Now, take each side panel of the box and insert the cam lock screws. Here's a pro tip. Place the cam locks in position first, then tighten them later using a power drill. Once that's done, add some glue into the remaining pre-drilled holes where the dowels will go. After applying the glue, insert all of the dowels and put a bit more glue on top of each dowel. Once that is done, begin by inserting the bottom panel. All of the pieces will fit as seen in the video. A tip is that the large cam lock screw holes will be facing outward. Then, grab the other side panel and connect both sides together. Make sure each part is aligned with the dowels and screws. After everything is aligned, grab the cam lock nuts and secure the cabinet in place using your power drill in each of the large pre-drilled holes bent for the cam locks. Once this is completed, slide in your back panel. For the frameless drawer build, we'll start by attaching the soft close drawer glides. Position each glide into the corners of the drawer opening and securely fasten them with 3 5/8 inch screws, one at the front, one in the middle, and one at the back. Next, we'll assemble the drawer box. Attach both sides into the pre-drilled holes using 1 1/4 inch screws. Be sure to identify what the drawer front is. It will be the piece that has the 4 pre-drilled holes on its inside. Once this is done, slide the bottom shelf into place and secure the back panel of the drawer, also using the 1 1/4 inch screws. Once the drawer box is fully assembled, it's time to add the corner brackets. Place a bracket in each front corner on the underside of the drawer and secure them using 5/8 inch screws. Finally, attach the fully assembled drawer box to the drawer face frame by securing it with 1 1/4 inch screws through the 4 pre-drilled holes. Now, with the fully assembled drawer box, you will notice the drawer pins on the glides that will be inserted directly into the back of the drawer for it to sit in place on the slides. Next, we are going to grab the trash insert holders. Use 5/8 inch screws to secure them onto the door. After this, grab the full trash insert and secure it onto the bottom shelf of your base cabinet, also using 5/8 inch screws. Then grab the metal triangular brackets, which will be secured using the 3 holes and 5/8 inch screws. Next, mount the face of the cabinet onto the trash insert. You may need to make some adjustments to get the door to line up correctly. Please see the video for how we adjust the top screw to move the door up, down, and side to side if needed. Once the cabinet door is in the desired position, insert the trash can holders, 2 on the front and 2 on the back. Make sure they're facing away from each other so they can accommodate a trash can. Once this is done, attach the top metal portion using a hammer on both sides. Finally, attach the door bumpers to ensure a smooth close.